his profession, he also
You will
have
allow.
to.
You will allow.
No,
Because
who
you are
told
saying
you
the same
I will
thing.
allow?
You will allow.
Who told you I will allow? He also have to ask permission from me. If I have to ask permission from him,
Yes, suppose he is
also,
asking for your permission, you are not allowing.
there is no
Still he
superiority.
goes.
That is partnership. In partnership,
Yes, partnership.
you both have
So
to communicate.
what-
There is also an option for healthy communication.
What happens in a partnership? When you two are partners, you should listen to each other. So when
Listen, I also understand. No,
Let me finish.
if he understand me, he will let me go. That is
now
important
yeah,
for me.
Let
He
me
will.
put my point. If he doesn't allow you, you are not going. Okay? No. But you are not
Why?
going.
I will go.
Okay, you will go. If it doesn't allow, you will go. Now, if you don't
If
allow,
that is
if he goes,
important,
then you will have an argument.
If that is important for me, if he is my partner, not a superior person than me, then why will he not let me go? First of all, that is
different question. If he doesn't let you go, I am putting an example, a situation. So you are not married. So I am just telling you. Suppose you are married. Okay.
I will go for myself.
For myself, then why?
I will be honest
He is
with
not
him.
for you.
If
Then
I
he
lie to
doesn't
him,
matter to you.
if I lie to him,
Accept that that your husband is not to you.
he does matter to me. That is, I am being honest with him. That this does matter to me. This is you are matter to me. That is why I am being honest with
What
you.
about your college? What about your studies?
Obviously, I will go.
After getting
Just
married,
being
you are
honest
studying
with
in
him.
college. So you have some importance
I am hearing that I have to go, not asking permission for it. If he also have to go, he will share with me. Will not have to ask question from me that if he has
now
to
you're
go.
saying if he goes without asking your permission, then you will
Asking, that is not asking, that is
What is
sharing. I have to go.
I
If
have to go. You
a
are
two person live together, they have
it
to
doesn't
let
mean you
your
have to go.
business
You-
with other
You will tell
partners.
him that I am going now. He's not allowing you. Don't go. What will you do?
I will be honest with him. I will tell him that this is important for me. Then I will go. He is important for me. That is I am being honest with him.
I think she
not
wants to
practical
know. You
You are
you don't
you are
want to
saying
understand.
the same thing again and again.
Yeah. So actually, what she is telling, I mean, you don't want to understand. Actually, right? Yeah. Actually, that's true, because definitely, if my partner is, I mean, questioning me about something, it is not the way, right? We are partner, or we husband wife. Then definitely we have certain things, and we have yes, that is obviously important, and I need to share the information to my husband that this is my trip, and I have to go. Okay, so this is the truth. You have to tell this, because if in a certain period, if you are telling lie, okay, to get certain things or certain opportunity to
So don't you think if you tell a lie that I'm not going to any excursion, you have gone
Why
there,
have
you have
you lied?
Wait, I'm talking to her. You have successfully done that. You have returned. Your husband doesn't come, and you have not done anything wrong.
No.
You will
Absolutely
have
not. If you are lying, I mean, if you are lying that time, definitely in future, I mean, it will give you a short term pleasure. It will give you a short term
I am
pleasure.
accepting.
But in the
I
long
am
run, he will know that okay, that time she I mean, lied.
No,
Yeah, that's the thing. That is
I am
your
accepting.
relationship
I
is
am
building
accepting
on basis of lie.
Yes, in future your husband comes to know you went to an excursion, but you were successful, so your husband won't react.
No,
He will be happy.
Who told you?
That
Who told you? Who told you? If my husband is also a successful man, then what? Then he must be questioned. He must be questioned.
If your husband went somewhere, he didn't tell you the truth.
Why?
After that, you are coming to know it's not a
If I am
problem.
telling the truth to my husband, definitely he is bound to tell me the truth. Because
Try to compare two situations. If you are telling the truth, I am going to an excursion. He doesn't allow. Still, you are going. That situation, and after you are if you are becoming successful, then he is coming to know those situations are different, because then you can handle the situation easily.
Now let me answer you. Okay.
He happens to find out that he told a lie at the time.
Exactly.
It was a white lie, all right. Not bullshit. But don't you think that your conjugal trust will be lost from
Exactly.
next time you will refuse to believe in what you say?
But sir, if you tell the truth and he doesn't allow you, still you are going, then
If I
at that
challenge
time.
him.
Yes, if at that time argument is taking place, then that is more harmful because they.
That will be a heated talk.
Yes, because they are also they are
But
they are
what
using
do you
something-
think that in future, if I mean your husband wants to go to somewhere, a business trip or company trip, I mean, don't you allow
I
him?
talk about husband. I didn't talk about myself, my husband.
Exactly.
I-
If he allows you for that situation, definitely he will expect that you will also allow him. So in that way, a relationship. No.
It's too
If you
You have
get
a mentality, I have a different mentality.
if you
I
get
am-
married to someone, definitely, I mean, he is your better half, or you are his better half. Definitely,
No,
there is a
not at all. If you allow that,
Whatever
husband,
you
I
are
will
telling-
also.
whatever
No,
you are
it is
telling,
not the rule.
it's seriously it doesn't
It's too
make
easy
any
to try
sense.
to understand. If you have a thought, I have a different thought.
I understood. I understood your point. I'm telling that if you are going to a trip
Yes.
for a certain period or one time, if you are telling lie to your husband and then you will go to, your trip,
Yes.
and then after, I mean, this is a short-term pleasure or short-term opportunity you are gaining, but afterwards, if in long run your husband gets, gets to know that about the trip, then afterwards, whatever you are telling, maybe he will think that whatever you are telling, this is lie, absolutely lie. He will not believe.
You will lose faith in
Exactly.
What will happen?
This is the question of your integrity. This is the question of your transparency.
If I haven't done anything wrong, he will understand. If he is loyal, if he is
if husband wife will communicate in present term, they may fight on present term, but there will
Has to
not
be
be
a fight,
trust
not afterwards.
issues
That
in
doesn't
future.
matter. If
After
you
that,
tell-
he will understand that was important for her. My life also important for me.
Now,
I
let me
have to
tell
do
you something.
certain
Now,
things.
let me clear it out. If you tell the truth, you will have a fight. Why? Because after all, you are going. So you will have a fight at night, okay, after returning. Now, if you don't tell, when your husband will come to know,
Then also
there will be a fight at the night.
Yes.
Maybe
why we don't choose the
fight is necessary.
Fight is necessary.
It's mandatory.
No. If you are telling that fight is necessary,
Yes, there also trust will be gone, and afterwards also trust will be gone.
no.
They will not communicate. They will do.
I mean,
what they
you are choosing. No. I'm telling you, you are just telling an exceptional. I mean, the husband. You are choosing a husband who is over possessive, and you need to know the thing that your husband is like that, and that's
Example, not me. You guys have tested it examples about a movie with the male friend. I didn't. So that's
What
why
I remember, I guess, what I remember that one of your team members have.
But now she was talking to sir. That's why I answered. Okay. So
What
fight
you
is
answer
mandatory.
is not
Fight
the
is
answer.
mandatory.
That is
mandatory, but
you are saying one thing again.
yeah, it's crucial that to maintain your transparency.
So if you you have told the truth. As you told that you
I
have
will
told
do
the
my
truth.
job.
You
We
will
will
go.
communicate. There will be no
Then-
trust issues. He will
Yeah.
understand that I needed to do that
Why
thing for
not? You have
myself.
gone to the excursion, okay? As you told, you have gone to the excursion.
I was honest with
Yes,
him. I had to go.
You will think there must be something.
Why?
Yes, then why did you go?
I think he is a psychopath. I mean, he needs some doctor.
Yeah,
or
whatever you say,
counseling.
psychopath.
Exactly. So you are talking about the person, or you are giving an example.
It will happen.
You are giving an
Trust
example
issues
about the
will be there.
exceptions, right?
Husband is psychopath.
I mean, that husband's whatever she is except.
The husband does not do what you say. The husband is psychopath.
No. Sir, I'm telling that if I'm telling the truth, and then afterwards, if I mean, on her point that
I'm trying to make you understand.
at night there will be some fight. Okay, I mean, if you are telling truth, then also you are facing a fight, and if you are telling lie, then also there is fight is necessary. So then why we choose success?
So choose your success, then have an argument. That's my point. Argument has to be there.
You can choose your success.
Oh my God.
It's okay. It's okay.
uh, if you job anywhere, any day you leave holiday to speak your boss, that's okay. Yeah, that's your told about this that you leave tomorrow or that something there. You told the reason that not a particular reason to leave that holiday. You tell about this.
How many samples are you there?
Sir, three, because many people join later on.
Please have proof.
You tell honestly you why you leave this.
I always with the truth. I always with the truth.
You tell that that's not a particular reason to leave that day.
No.
So what can you say?
Okay. Leave this matter. I want to counter him. So you just said that when a soldier go to a war position and he get a call from his mother. So I want to tell that. Then he, so I want.
Profile, stand profile. Face the camera.
Okay. So I want to say to you that in the war position, their phone is not allowed. So you give a irrelevant example, and you guys are want to prove that lie is the best way at any time to prove yourself.
Yeah, I'm not talking that when he's fighting right at this moment, after getting his resting that time, try to understand the situation. I think you have seen all those movies, yeah, like
Movies are movies, and the practical situation is different totally.
because, yeah, you have to understand the situation. That is, it's irrelevant. But if you fall at this situation, have to do this type of thing.
If the war is ended and when you will go to hospital, then that
Yeah,
news
that's,
also
yeah, yeah,
will go to your home. It is not.
Yeah, communication is not available. You are trying to saying that. You're trying to say that
Yes.
communication is not available.
Then
I'm not talking about that.